Hello everybody, it is August 4th, 2023, the last day of the Tomahawk AOMCI meet, and I'm out on the Wisconsin River today with my 1968 Aerocraft P-12 and a 1965 Johnson FD-19. When I got this motor, my buddy Ron Baker picked this one up for me in Minnesota and brought it to me at Constantine, and it had a bad cylinder head on it, so I was looking for a replacement, and I put one from a 1969 Evinrude 25 horse. There goes Sam. From an Evinrude 25 horse in 1969 on this 18 horse Johnson, and the compression is very high with this cylinder head. I measured it before I switched it with the one good cylinder that I had, and it was 110, and that cylinder now reads 157. So I don't know if I'm getting all I can out of it with pump gas or not, but anyway, we're gonna run it. I went through the ignition, points, condensers, and cleaned the points. Still got the original points. The coils were good. Changed the plug wires, put new plugs in it. I went through the carburetor with a new OEM kit, changed it from a long shaft to a short shaft, put a bunch of good gear case parts that I had together to build one that I thought was good enough for this motor. So put a new water pump impeller in it and replaced the wear plate with one that I had that was decent. I think I'm going to put a full kit in this one. I think it's going to be a good motor, so I'm going to go ahead and do it up right. But anyway, let's fire it up and see how it does. give you a look going forward. That'll do it on this one. Till next time, thanks for watching. And keep your prop out of the mud.